Beginner series in database management system. So in previous sessions we have seen DBMS versus file system. Now we are going to check DBMS architecture. Okay, so in general what happened, like DBMS architecture use client server architecture. Okay, so it includes large number of PCs or user or client, I would say. It can be web server and database servers. Okay, so both are connected, both are going to communicate with the help of protocols. Okay, so next we have types of database architecture. Okay, we have types of database architecture. So there are three types of DB architecture. So one is one tier, two tier, and three tier. Okay, so what happened, like in one tier there is one client and one database, one server, I would say. So the client usually directly sit on the database and can interact with the database itself. Okay, yes. So next is the two tier architecture, where application runs on the client side, and database runs on the server side. So usually they are both are going to communicate with the help of few APIs like JDBC or DBC drivers. Then we have like user interface. Like on the client side, what happened, like user interface and applications programs runs on client side itself, where on server side the functionality of the server side is only like query processor, that is SQL, and the transaction management, those will take place on the DB side. Then third, we have three tier architecture. So here, like, there is an extra layer we have added. Okay, so what happened, like the client and server, these two are going to communicate, but prior to this, okay, the extra layer has been added for this particular type of architecture. So what happened, like the end user, there is no idea about the end user from where the database actually resides, and the server side is not aware about which user they want to serve it. Okay, so there is no I would say clarity about this. So generally this used in large web applications, let's say Facebook or Twitter or any social media platform, I would say falls under the three tier architecture. Okay, so this is the how DBMS architecture we have. So in next sessions we are going to start with the asset properties. What are the asset properties in DBMS? Okay, thank you.